right? But right now, I want to show this to you. Look, AC repair, it's competitive. Why? The top guys, they have 10,000 reviews, 239 reviews, 2,000 reviews. Do you see that? Even organic, look at the DA of the top guys, 37. This is Yelp. But then look at this guy, 29. You see that? So a company like the number one guy who's ranking here, Parker Anderson's, he's got 638 pages. That's a lot of pages. So if Kevin wants to go in as a niche in Phoenix, he has to put up at least 600 pages. He has to have at least 2,000 or 200 reviews. By the time Kevin starts being able to generate leads and renting it out, Kevin will probably be an old man. Okay, it's going to be 8 months to a year. So what I would request Kevin is, he's in Phoenix. I would want to ideally see if I can go to a city in 100 to 200,000 population. It can be somewhere in Arizona. It can be somewhere else, preferably in his home state. So I see Buckeye, Arizona, 105,000 population. I did not even know there was a city called Buckeye, right? So I'm going to take that and I'm going to search for Buckeye, Arizona, right? Next, I'm going to go to Home Advisor and I'm going to find a niche that most people may not be in. Okay, I'm starting small. Kevin, Josh says take it. Okay. Take what? Garage door, you're saying? Don't go for garage door. Okay, so go for something that a lot of people may not even be looking into. Okay, like I see gutters here. Gutters may be a lot less competitive than HVAC, right? Than tree. Fahim is asking, how can we find these odd niches when everybody is targeting? There's a million odd niches, Fahim. Think about it, right? There's at least, look at that, from, okay, there's 333, right? You can go anywhere from 200,000 and less. So there's at least 120 to 200 cities that are low-hanging niche industries, at least 100 cities. The low-hanging, like low city, low population. And then there's at least 100 niches out here. Let's say most people are with the out niches, you only find 20 niches. 20 industries, 100 cities, that's 2,000. Did I get the math right? 2,000 combinations potential. Got it? So Craig says foundation repair. Okay, great. Foundation repair. So let's check that out. So I would go search for foundation repair, Buckeye, Arizona. So let's see if Craig's got a good one or not. We got at least 10 searches a month, which is good. People are running ads. That means there are foundation repair companies in Buckeye paying Google for ads. That is good. Let me come here. The top guy is this one. I'm going to open the top guy here. Okay, let's go over here. Here is the map pack, right? 32, 15, 158. I love that. Okay, here is some tip I'm going to give you. It's not just the reviews. Though this guy has 158, this guy's got 1532. Look at this. This guy's got roofing and is coming up for foundation repair at Buckeye. This guy's address is Phoenix and is coming up for this. You see that? So what I am saying is, if Kevin can put up a website that has the word foundation repair, even if it doesn't have Buckeye, that's okay. At least that's foundation repair, and he puts up a GMB. It's not easy to put up a GMB, but he can, right? We go in depth into how to put up a GMB in our course. But let's say he does that, even without a GMB, just a website, he will start ranking and getting a couple of calls, right? So now let's do the math. Foundation repair cost, average, right? The average repair is 2,500 to 8,000, average 5,000 bucks. You see that?